I see many sellers make the same mistake when it comes to pricing their homes, and it can be a costly mistake. Hi, I'm Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and eXp Realty. Here are some common mistakes sellers make when pricing their home to go on the market. Overpricing. The biggest mistake sellers make is thinking that their property is worth more than it actually is. Overpricing can be due to emotional attachment or the lack of market knowledge. Overpricing your property can lead to long periods on the market, lower offers, and missed opportunities to sell. Another is ignoring the market conditions. Real estate markets are constantly changing. That is why it is important to know what is happening in your local market and area. I also see sellers not considering their competition. Take a look at what is selling around you. What properties now are in the market in your neighborhood? Be sure to check out the conditions, the upgrades, the age, the lot size, the views, things like that. This will give you a good idea of what buyers are willing to pay for a property like yours. Not factoring necessary repairs. If your home needs repairs or upgrades, is important to factor into that when you are figuring out your asking price. Buyers will expect a lower price if they know they will have to make some repairs after they move in. Bottom line, the key to successful pricing is to be well informed of your market and the area, conditions, and understand the competition to avoid costly mistakes. Connect with me and my team so we can give you a complete analysis of your market and your home value. Thanks for watching and take care.